Wine is always good,
Wine
Donnie.
is always good.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers. But I've always loved Sicily all my life.
Yes, yes.
I've talked about
Sicily.
Italy, Rome, Roman history,
Oh, I know.
and fell in love with Shakespeare's Julius Caesar
Oh, of course.
and all those things. But we have really fallen in love with Sicily.
Yes. Now we've gone there quite a few times.
Oh,
And for months on end, like
yes.
most of the year.
We lived there 6 months of the year, but the Italian government says we can't live there more than 3 months at a time. So, but we're in Koh Samui right now, Koh Samui. We're heading back at the end of the month to Sicily.
That's an island in Thailand.
Yeah, yes, it's an island.
Yeah.
So Samui is not Sicily.
No,
But
Sicily is an island off of Italy.
yes, but we're on the toe. It's toe. So, but a vineyard. I've talked to how many years have I talked about getting involved in a vineyard?
Many
years.
We've often and we go
So-
and visit vineyards, and we go to wine tastings.
So we live on Mount Etna with our friends. With our friends on what's it called again?
In a stone cottage on Mount Etna, POP.
POP, yes. And it's
yes.
Orazio and Loredana are the main people that they're our age. They're a little.
Characters. And
One
then
is a little older, one's a little younger. But
and then their family.
and then Andrea and Lara.
Yes.
We just finished having a wonderful wedding in September, but we got in October we got the vineyard ready, right?
Yes. We started basically at the end of September 2023.
Yes.
And most of it in October.
Beginning of October.
And so this is what this video is all about: starting the vineyard
In Sicily.
in Sicily.
So
A dream come true.
we got Tony and his team in there getting it all prepped. Now we had to leave. And Maurizio is in charge. Andrea was in charge of buying the plants or the stems for the vineyard.
The vines.
The vines.
Yes, they're about 1 foot.
Yeah, about that.
Plant.
Yeah.
And and we'll talk more about that later in the
Yes,
video. So
absolutely.
stay tuned for sure. We'll describe the details on the Caraconti.
Yeah, the Caraconti. It's a
Vine.
wonderful white
Yeah.
grape.
So we'll talk about
So we're
that
going to talk
later.
about that. But now they planted, while we were here in Koh Samui, they planted, Maurizio planted the vines. What's it?
In February.
We
In
tilled
February,
it up.
we
They got it tilled in beginning of February. About 6th, 7th of February, they planted. And the rains have come. And we are now heading back at the end of February. And Orazio and me are going to put in the posts.
Yeah, so there's going to be more videos coming. This is just episode 1.
Yes.
Please enjoy. And stay tuned till the end where we
You
go over
will
some of the very...
absolutely love Sicily by the time we're done with you.
Yes.
No, you won't want to live anywhere else but Sicily.
You love Sicily.
Yes, you love Sicily.
Okay.
You will love Sicily.
Okay, so here we go.
If you don't now, you will. Ciao. Got a plant already in December?
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I thought we would have a company or something.
Yeah.
Can we plant vineyard here?
No. The first step is to open that folder.
Yes.
And the second step is to open up. You need to leave documents to be in the company.
Yeah.
Because
we
it's
have all the-
4951.
We have all the documents. We can give them whenever. We can email them to you whenever.
And then,
Passport. He needs the
every year
passports.
apply for the quotes.
What do you mean the quote?
Quota.
The quote
Quota.
says
The quota?
the quote.
Okay, I understand. Yes.
Yeah, it's like a milk quota or a
So you can
Farm quota.
commercialize as a DOC one. Huh? That white color, that must be the people makes the plaques.
Yes.
And towel, how do you call it, on the dish. You know, the one that you use to put on the table, how do you call it?
Oh, you mean
Platter?
no. It's wooden ones?
Wood.
For on the
Wood.
so then
like
you put your
that.
plate on there?
Say, how do you call that? So,
I don't know.
What do you mean?
you're English, man.
It's been a lifelong dream of mine to own a vineyard in Sicily. So we started, October sometime putting this whole thing together. But finally, we're getting to do the tilling on Myra's vineyard and prepping it. We tilled it on February the 3rd and 4th and got it all nice. And look at that tilling job. It's got stones in there, but once it's all nicely tilled up, and we're going to start planting 600 vines. Baby, is that going to be exciting? Ho, 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 ho. Amazing. Now, on the 6th of February, 2024, we're starting to put the plants in the ground. Baby,